Welcome to Klocker, your all-in-one HR and operations platform. In this quick setup guide, we'll walk you through the essential first steps to get your company up and running. You'll learn how to configure your company IP address, create a company's admin, branch departments, and employee profile. Let's get started. To begin, head to System Setup. System Settings, then click on IP Restriction Settings, then click Create. Your company's Wi-Fi IP address will be displayed just like that. Your company's IP address is added to Klocker, and this prevents any staff from clocking in or out without physically connected to the Wi-Fi, which is linked to your company's Wi-Fi. Next, let's set up your core team. Go to Staff, Users. Next, click Create. Next, we add the name of our admin user. Then we add their email address. And we select a role. We're giving our manager the HR role. Next, we enable login and then add the password. Finally, click Create. On Klocker, the roles defines what your admins can do on the Klocker app. By default, your company has the HR, manager, and employee roles set up for you. Now, we define our company's structure. Head to HRM Setup, select Branch, then select Create. We're going to make this Pretoria North Branch. Next, we create a department. Select Create, and we create our kitchen department. After that, we have to create the designated jobs in our departments. Under the Pretoria North branch will be the kitchen department. Then we can designate the pastry chef. You're ready to onboard your team. Click on Employee, then click Create. In here, you will add your employees' details. Then assign them to a branch, department, and their designated job that you previously created in the HRM. You can also add the employees' documents and banking details. And that's it. Your company is live on Klocker. From here, you can start managing shifts, tracking attendance, and empowering your team, all in one place. Welcome to Klocker.